Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster, Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2014 Ford F-150 FX4. The exterior color is a white, and under the hood we have a 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Now at the front we have our projection style headlamps with our halogen high and low beam headlights, as well as a pair of fog lamps, 2 tow hooks, and an engine block heater connection. Over at this side we have our aluminum wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires, as well as we have our OEM running boards with our white mirror caps, as well as color matched door handles. We also have our privacy tinted windows at the rear, and this FX4 also comes with remote start. At the rear, we have our trailer and tow package, which includes our 4 and 7-pin connection, as well as a trailer hitch connection. We also have our spare fifth wheel located underneath, and our reverse sensors paired to our backup camera. We also have our lockable tailgate with our spray and bed liner inside our box, and at the rear window, we have an embedded defroster with our power slide feature. At the interior, we have loads of door storage, as well as power windows, power locks, and power adjustable and foldable mirrors. As well as we have our signal light indicator on our mirrors. Over at our steering column we have our automatic headlamp dial, as well as we have our foot pedal adjustment switch and our tilt steering wheel option. We also have our information trackpad with our cruise control settings, as well as we have our volume and hands-free controls. And as we look up, we have our auto dimming review mirror with our cabin lights, our 3 garage door opener points, and another cabin light at the rear. As we look at our interior, we have a beautiful black leather seating, which comes with a fully adjustable seat with lumbar support for the driver, as well as 2 options of memory seating. As we look ahead, you'll notice we have 126,772 kilometers on our beautiful Ford F-150. And over at our sync display, we have our phone connectivity, information, entertainment, as well as climate control, including an air-conditioned and heated seat for both driver and passenger, as well as we can watch the display of our reverse camera. And underneath we have our sync controls, as well as we have our dual climate control area, which includes air conditioning heating throughout the entire cabin. And underneath we have our cubby storage with our console shift lever, which has our manual select option of 6 different speeds, our dual cup holders, and our center console with loads of storage underneath and 2 cup holders at the rear. At the rear, passengers have loads of door storage, as well as the option of power windows and storage in the rear of the driver and passenger seat. And at the rear, we have our dual climate ventilation, as well as we have our AC outlet with a 12-volt adapter. We also have our 60/40 bench seating arrangement, which includes loads of legroom and tons of headspace to fit 3 passengers in the rear comfortably. If there are any more questions about this outstanding F-150, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. And I would also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.